Bitcoin in treacherous waters, in my opinion. It's dangerous both ways. Is this FOMO? Right? We've got the banking crisis going on. What happens if they get that under control? Krisha, stop. And right as I make a video, my dog starts barking. What's it? It's a tree possum. That's what I tell him. Before I get started here, if you enjoy my content, when the video is over, please like and subscribe. Help me gain a little traction on the YouTube algorithm. I sure would appreciate that. Name of the channel is Bitcoin Street. What if the banking crisis story goes away? What if they stop that from spreading and the story just slowly fades away? Then we're looking at, right, this is a cycle that's playing out. It's a 3-year, 10-month cycle. We were right about here coming down, and we've suddenly jerked back up here. So it's just dangerous. I don't know, right? The public, this is where the public gets in. This is where the public realizes that Bitcoin's pumped 45% in the last 8 days, right? This is a cycle. This is where we're at, and this has come up a little higher now, right in through here. So it would be strange for Bitcoin to keep pumping, although it has definitely broken out of my megaphone structure here on the daily chart. I talked about this last video. It closed 2 daily candles above it. We've got 57 minutes as I make this for this candle to close here. So 27,850 was a big break of that resistance. As I'm making this video, Bitcoin appears to be slowly dropping. It's just went under 28,000. 27,000. It's right at 28,000. Okay, I'll make this short video. This range here between the white and yellow line on top here, this is the range coming down. 27,850 is the bottom. 32,378 is the top. So that would be the next level of resistance. I could draw in on tops of all these wicks back here. See this back here? All these wicks, I could draw in resistance and support lines. So it goes all the way up to 32,378. And then you're dealing with the wicks from back in like a year ago. I don't know how relevant those will be, but probably right in here at about 37,400 would run into another level of strong resistance. I don't know, but that's the problem. That's the problem, right? Because is this just hype? Is this just the HUD squad getting the public into it? And say it does go on some amazing run, right? And the FOMO is real. Everyone's, yeah, the moon, yeah, and then boom, right? Just a monster 50% crash. That's generally how this Bitcoin works. But you know, if central banks start to stutter and fail, and that's kind of stuff happens, then the Bitcoin may just be an unprecedented area. It just might launch into the next bull cycle. That's really strange saying that, those words coming out of my mouth. It's the halving cycle. The halving event is not for almost another 13 months, and a bull cycle has never started. Let's not get confused with words. You know, people will say we're on a bull run right now, and the bull, but it's a pump in a bear market. It is bullish, of course, but the true bull run has never started before the halving, and that's still 13 months away. So, you know, this halving could get moved up in maybe 11, 12 months. You know, it could also be moved back to 14, 15 months. So that's strange, right? That's if the banking story goes away, then there's just a devastating loss to the public who's been roped in to the FOMO, fear of missing out, FOMO for new people. The FOMO is real, and this could easily come all the way back down to under 16,000. And if it did it from 32,000, that would be a 50% crash. But, you know, Bitcoin's built for the banks to fail, and if the banks fail, then Bitcoin will probably moon, and it may never come back down. That's the problem right now. What do? That's why dollar cost averaging always wins, right? If you buy, I don't know what kind of money you're dealing with, but say you just buy $5 a day every single day and don't even look at the price, you'll end up doing terrific, because that's a sound strategy. And but you know, like if you aped in right now at 28,000 and it goes up to 29, and then all of a sudden it's down here at 16. That's easily possible. Or say you sell right here and you short, you get a short position, and because you think it's going to go down, and it pumps up to 32,000, 33,000, right? It's just treacherous. I don't. It's just a coin flip, right? You're just gambling, in my opinion, right now. And I would avoid doing anything that, except for, I would avoid doing anything except for dollar cost averaging. And I've been saying that for a long time. I know sometimes I sound like I'm contradicting myself. I wouldn't buy here. I wouldn't sell here. I wouldn't do. But I'm not talking about dollar cost average. Dollar cost averaging is probably just going to work like a dream for you, and with Bitcoin. And I don't want to make this video too long. You got the idea. It's treacherous, in my opinion. 27,850 is the white line, the bottom of the next level up. This candle will close. I should have waited a little while to make this video. I'll probably make another one later tonight. But if this candle closes, just look for this in 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Look for Bitcoin, the daily candle. Is it close above 27,850 or below 27,850? That could mean a lot. That could be an early indicator of what may happen. But that's just Kookyville right now, right? All the hype and stuff. So a lot of this is hype. If the banking situation clears up, then we're looking at, probably come back down to the bottom at 15, 16,000 over the next few weeks, couple months maybe. It's hard telling, but this is what a cycle looks like, right? And it shouldn't just shoot back up. But Bitcoin's a different, Bitcoin's a platypus. It's a wild goose, and that goose is on the loose. And wild geese can be real scary if you've ever been chased by one, and or even domesticated geese for that matter. So this is kind of abnormal, but it could be super dangerous to the public. Just be careful. I don't have any opinion on what you should do, but I got to get going. All right, later. Dollar cost averaging is the champ. Thanks for watching.